Constitutions of Nepal, Fundamental Rights and Duties. Question is, how many fundamental rights and duties are there? There is 31 plus 2. Starts from the Article 16 to 48. 1. Right to live with dignity. 2. Right to freedom. 3. Right to equality. Right to communication. Right to relating to justice. Right of a victim of a crime. Right against torture. Right against preventive detention. Right against untouchability and discrimination. Next, right relating to property. Right to religious freedom. Right to information. Right to privacy. Right against exploitation. Right to clean environment. Right to education. Right to language and culture. Right to employment. Right to labor. Right to health. Next is right to food. Right to housing. Right of women. Right of children. Right of Dalits. Right of senior citizen. Right to social justice. Right to social security. Right of consumer. Right against exile. Right to constitutional remedies. Implementation of fundamental rights. Duties of citizenship. Thank you. Any queries? Thank you in the next video.